This is the Ajaz AK820 Max. This is the newest upgrade to the AK820 line, and inside the box you get keycaps, your cable, keycap and switch puller, dust cover, and the keyboard itself. I'll be swapping out the spacebar to the white spacebar just because I think it looks a little cleaner. The Max version has a new updated case design that is more rounded and a modernized knob as well. It's still got the customizable LCD screen, but you get the FR4 plate with the brand new avocado switches. For $45.99, this creamy keyboard is an absolute no-brainer, and you already know I got that link below.